Do you want to cook fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside baked potatoes in a Dutch oven over the fire? If so, stay tuned because that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So first of all, you need to light a fire. We're doing that with a flint and steel, and then we're building it up with small sticks before we build it up with much larger sticks. And then give it some time to allow to die down to cooking embers so that we can place the Dutch oven on top. Then we're going to place pebbles. We place pebbles inside the Dutch oven and we start to score our potatoes. Once the potatoes are scored, we pour in water to just below the level of the pebbles in the bottom of the Dutch oven. Then we oil up our potatoes and put them in the oven, sprinkle them with salt, and we place them on the fire. Then we get off and do the important bit and we make memories that we hope will last for a lifetime as we wait for these potatoes to cook. Then we place some coals on top, and this is important because it allows the potatoes to brown and cook from the top down as well as the bottom up. Then we take out the potatoes, we fluff them up and we enjoy, and this meal is best when it's shared with friends and family around a table. Guys, we've had such a glorious day moored here in Kimva today. It's been incredibly lovely, and these potatoes are just going to top off what has been a great day. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and let us know in the comment section below that you are new to this channel. If you've got any recipes you think we should try on a Dutch oven to cook over the fire on the towpath here next to Narrowboat Bluebell, then also leave them in the comment section below as well. Also, our hatchlings love an education and love to learn. Bobby and Fleur love to know where all of you guys are watching from. So lastly, if I could just ask a massive favor, and that is for you just to, in the comment section below, say where you have watched this video. It would be lovely if we could reach every country in the world. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!